Hey, yo.
Yeah. Talk your shit, right? Talk your shit.
Hey, we got one.
What they gonna say now?
Hey, let's get to the motherfucking money. You
Get
dig?
that bread.
It's all about the pickups and the drop-offs.
Yeah.
We rock the real shit, you rockin' knockoffs.
Hey, yo, YouTube, let me speak on this. Yeah, it's your boy, Respect for GS, back at it with another little banger, you hear me? Little video, man. Ain't nothing major, you feel me? Just a couple of unboxings, man. Something light, you know. Just trying to do something, just trying to give out some content. Got a couple sneakers coming. Some y'all seen before. I sold some to get some new ones. Kind of just like side swaps on a couple pair. So, you know, I will redo them, you know, for those who, you know, always want to see me do content. I'll continue to. But, you know, while we talking about it, you know, make sure you go over to, let's make sure we get it focused. So, premise, yeah, for all your sneaker bags, man. You know, they're good on the airplanes, trains, automobiles, man. You hear me? Or just walking, you know, biking. You know, you take this bag wherever you want to go. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I got one. You know what I'm saying? Nice leather, premium leather bag. You know, these are dope, man. I think this one you can get about maybe, you know, 3 pair, you know, 4 pair. Maybe 4 pair in here without nothing else in here, just sneakers. But you got 2 compartments in the inside. You know, you got other compartments for like your laptop, you know, stuff like that, man. It's really cool, man. It's a really dope bag, man. You know, I am waiting to get another bag, maybe a T-shirt or something like that. You know, I'm trying to get there. You know, work with me, I work with you. You feel me? Yeah, so, you know, definitely, man, go over there, hit them up. Use the code RESPECT number 4 GS. You get 25% off. This is on the whole site. You know what I'm saying? You get 25% off plus free shipping when you use that code, man. It's a lot of codes out here, but 25% and free shipping. Yeah, go get you one. Get you one, man. And he got flavors. It ain't just brown. He got orange. I seen black. I seen a red one. You know, bags. He got duffels. He got all types of stuff. I'll be talking about it, man. Make sure y'all go over to Rejuvenator. Cop your Rejuvenator to clean your kicks, man. Before you put them in your bag, you can clean your kicks. You know, make sure you go over there and tell them Respect for GS sent you. You know, we all working out some stuff. You know, hopefully I get my discount code soon. So, you know, yeah, make sure you go over to Rejuvenator and, you know, take care of that. So let's get to unboxing. We will have an unboxing night soon, but right now we got the scissors. So I got a little something. This is from Hibbett Sports. I ain't gonna show y'all the front because I don't want y'all to see my address and everything, but I ain't black it out or nothing like that. Let's see. Hey, them little free little joints that you be getting, man, like little points, they come in handy for little stuff like this, man. For little stuff like this, man, come in handy. Alright, yeah. Got a little Nike hoodie, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's gonna get hot, man, I like to get these things while they cheap on sale. And I do have some kicks that match this. Some Air Force Ones that I can rock. You know, it's got that system, that no drawstring system. Pretty dope, man. Like, yeah, I'm probably gonna work out in it though. I might get a black one to work out in. Yeah, pretty dope, man. It's pretty good, man. Feel on it. Yeah, it's a standard fit, man. This is a standard fit, man. Kind of grayish white, navy blue with the red swoosh. I got them USA Air Force Ones, low tops. Yeah, go crazy with this. Yeah, nice little sweats. Yeah, that'll go crazy. And then we got a box from Hibbett's. Let's see what's in here. Unboxing scissors to the rescue. Yeah, man, we got unboxing scissors. We ain't got no knife yet. We're gonna get there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put one in my Amazon cart tonight. I'm gonna look for one. Somebody told me go to Wish, man. Comment if y'all ever bought something from Wish and is it worth it? Cause I heard it's like real cheap. But they be having like little knives and little wallets and stuff. I heard. Oh yeah. Just got me some little track pants, man. Just some little track pants. The pink and black. The white on the side, track pants. Obviously, man, if you've been following and rocking on my channel, then you already know what these going. Got a little string on this one. Got a little loose string on her. That's what the unboxing scissors are for. I lost them. That's it. I'll find them. Ain't no big deal. Yeah. I kinda did. Hey, these are dope. And I wish I had the sneaker, you know what I'm saying, to show y'all. Yeah. Maybe I will go get the sneaker. Hold on. We gonna go get the sneaker. Okay, we back. Yeah. And I found my my old scissors, man. So I'm definitely gonna. I'm do this right here on camera, man. We get rid of it, man. Do this right on camera. I don't play no games. Yeah, you see this? I'm rocking with these boys. Bam. Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of rocking with this. I mean, you know, it's a little lighter, but it should work out. You feel me? And I got some actual hot pink laces. You feel me? That instead of these, I was gonna throw in these that kind of contrast on the pink, cause it's kind of the same pink. It's kind of the inside kind of. See, so it's a couple shades of pink, man. Like I think these will work. I think it'll work. I think it'll be quite fly. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna try to rock them with like black jeans though, but I kind of like this. And if worst case scenario, I got the snakeskin joint, so I can rock these with the snakeskin joints, and that might be better. The watermelon joints might go better. Either I think that watermelon is more so this color, but you know that's what I bought them for. We're gonna see how that work out. And oh yeah, I got the I pulled out the shoes for the hoodie. Who remember these? Yeah, look at that dead stock. Remember these? Oh yeah, this should work. This should work kind of good. What y'all think? I think this will work. Y'all think this will work? Huh? This will work. Chill your hands on. This work. I think this will work. I can do this right here. Yeah, I think this is gonna be tough right here. So yeah, definitely think I can do that. So you know, yeah, man, nothing major. We do got some more stuff coming in. I was notified that some stuff will be coming in maybe next week. Also, it's my birthday next week, June 5th. Gemini's in the building. Stand up, you hear me? Yeah, let's represent. So, you know, yeah, man, you know, just gonna try to have fun next week. Yeah, you know, continue to be blessed, man, you know. And, you know, just living life, man, and, you know, trying to keep doing what I love to do. This is my passion, man. I love sneakers, man. I love fashion. I also love music. I'm a big tech geek, man. Like, I got y'all learn that soon enough about me. I'm super into tech, man. Like, so much tech. Like, I'm into it. So, you know, we're gonna get to some of that too. You know, like I always say, man, like I've been saying, bro, like, you know, the goal is to be clean, not mean, stay fresh, not stressed, and be blessed, you hear me? It's your boy, man, Rob Bacardi Rob. Respect for GS, respect for G's, STL Heat. I'm known by a bunch of names, but I'm also known for having fly kicks, man, and gear. We got unboxing, so we got gear. But you know, like I said, man, I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subs. So you know, if you know you tuned in, man, sub, man, or send some people, man. Tell them to come sub. You know, comment below, man. Let me know if y'all liking these videos, and you know, would y'all like me to do some other things? Give me some ideas, man. Let me hear it from y'all. You know, I need to hear from the respected gang out there, man. You know, if you're part of the respected gang, man, you gotta hit that notification bell, so you know when I upload. Cause you know I'm trying to get more frequent with uploading. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, hit that notification bell. You know, we rather be respected than be feared. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you got to be a part of the respected gang, man. You know, go ahead, man. Hit that bell, man. Hey, real quick, man. Make sure you like these videos. Make sure you comment, share, and like I said, subscribe. You know, while we at it, man, head over to Chaotic Kicks, man. Go sub the bro, man. He, you know, hard working. You know, like I said, this new sneaker tube, you know what I'm saying, that's coming. You know what I'm saying? A lot of these new guys that you know that y'all ain't seen, you know what I'm saying, we definitely working. So go over there and sub Chaotic Kicks. He doing $100 giveaway at 500 subs. I think bro a little bit over halfway there. So you know, yeah, we gotta keep supporting, man. We gotta keep supporting. Like I said before, make sure you go to Soul Premise, use my code Respect for GS, 25% off, free shipping. Go over to Rejuvenator, get your cleaning products, let them know Respect for GS sent you. We will be getting that code to y'all soon, man. Soon. As well as some other things, man. I'm trying to work out some other little deals and situations, you know, for all my supporters, my fam, my subscribers, you know, my followers, you know, all that, man. Follow me over at IG. You know, follow me at, you know, Twitter. You know, I am on Twitter and IG like most of the time. So, you know, follow me over there, man. You know, shoot, man, look, chop it up with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm on Xbox and PlayStation. You know, we can do a little gaming. You know, Also Thuggin. OHSOTHUGGIN. Also Thuggin, man. Hit me up. I'm playing Mortal Kombat. I'm playing Madden. I'm playing 2K. I'm playing Call of Duty. I'm trying to learn how to play Fortnite, man. I ain't really been into the Fortnite. My little nephews be trying to get me to play, so you know, I'm gonna learn how to play Fortnite a little bit. That's it, man. For real. You know, I'm still working. So until next time, man, we out.
Woo! Talk your shit. Yeah. Union ties, nigga. Hustle.